New at 6, positive COVID cases piling up across the valley. The city of Harlingen now offering a new service, free coronavirus testing. Residents won't have to leave their house at all. Channel 5's Monica de Anda with who qualifies and why the city is making this service available.
It's a race to keep the elderly population safe.
These are our most vulnerable population. They're very fragile. We want to make sure that we get them the testing and detect the virus quicker so they can get the help they need as quickly as possible.
Josh Ramirez, Health Department Director for the City of Harlingen, says the City Commission approved the implementation of mobile at-home testing services for their residents earlier this month. The decision came after monitoring an increase in coronavirus cases and after speaking with South Texas Emergency Care, their emergency services provider.
They told us that some of the patients that have been transported to the hospital may not be needing hospitalization, but need just the testing, and they could be under observation at their home.
Ramirez says that's when the city started brainstorming ways to test certain people at home with the hope that this would also minimize hospitalization. This testing service is only available for the elderly, indigent community, or anyone in the city of Harlingen who's homebound with symptoms but can't get to a testing site.
They're not critical patients, but they're ill or mild ill that could be homebound or home care and tested at home before incrementing their medical care.
To get tested at home, your primary doctor must recommend a COVID-19 test before calling the Harlingen Health Department to set up an appointment. A paramedic from STEC will go to you to administer the test. Their services being paid through a grant that the company recently received. As for the city, each test will cost them $110, a cost that Ramirez says is worth it.
It's money that is well spent because we're going to save a life, and we're going to detect the COVID sooner in someone who's very fragile already.
The goal that early detection can lead to providing quicker appropriate care, preventing further spread of the virus, and ultimately saving lives. Monica de Anda, Channel 5 News at 6.
To schedule an at-home appointment, Harlingen residents can call 216-5220. Appointments, we're told, are available Monday through Friday during normal working hours. The city also providing free testing to residents who do not fit the criteria for at-home testing at the UTRGV site, and that's located on Treasure Hills Boulevard.